Before we begin, please hit subscribe button to receive updates.
Download Malwarebytes from the official website. Click the link below to go to the website. Run the downloaded application. Then, install Malwarebytes with the default settings. Close the window when done. Next, we will need to reboot the computer in safe mode. To do this, please do the following. First, go to Windows Start search box and type msconfig. Then, click the System configuration. Click on the Boot tab and click on Safe Boot. Then, select Minimal from the choices. Click on the Apply button and then click the OK button. Finally, Windows will prompt for computer restart. Please click on Restart button. After booting in safe mode, we will clean the Windows hosts file. Open File Explorer. Then go to C drive. Then open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Then open Drivers folder. Finally, open ETC folder. Double-click on Hosts file to open. Choose Notepad as an application to open the file. Once you open the hosts file, find the suspicious entries and delete them. Save the file and close Notepad. We will also need to delete malicious startup items. Go to Windows Start search box. Then type Run. Click on Run from the result. On the Run field dialog box, type /startup. On Startup window, select all the malicious items. Delete the selected files to remove them from startup. Then, close the current window. We will need to scan the computer to remove any viruses. Open Malwarebytes scanner. Click the Scan button. Scanning the computer will take a while. Please wait for this scan to complete. After the scan, delete all identified viruses. Do not restart the computer yet. Finally, we will remove the safe mode to start Windows normally. Go to Windows Start search bar. Type msconfig and select System configuration from the results. Click on the Boot tab. Please uncheck on the Safe Boot option. Click on Apply and then click OK. Click the Restart button to reboot Windows in normal mode. You may run additional scan after restarting the computer to ensure that no more virus is left on the computer. Again, please hit the subscribe button below if you haven't done yet.